Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see the process of merging Part A, Part B, Form 12BA and TDS summary into a single file in Saral PayPack. Before merging, make sure all the required files, that is Part A and Part B of Form 16, are generated. The process of generating Part A and Part B of Form 16 is explained in our previous videos. Next, we have to merge all these files into a single file. Go to Form 16 window under TDS reports of report menu. To include Form 12BA, that is Statement of Prerequisites, along with Form 16, enable the option Form 12BA. Similarly, to have a summary of TDS deducted along with Form 16, enable TDS deducted summary. Now click on Merge Part A and Part B to view the Form 16 merge window. Here, trace the path of Part A and Part B traces file converted to PDF in the earlier process respectively. Additional information, that is Section 2F and 10K details, will be auto-fetched, and the details are traced at the additional folder. The path of the merged files is auto-taken, which can be changed if required. If Form 16 has to be digitally signed, then enable digital sign using Saral Sign. If the digital signature has to be made in the signature location of each page, then enable Sign at all signature position. Note that Saral Sign has to be installed separately and it is not inbuilt in Saral PayPack. Also, the signature settings in Saral Sign has to be done before proceeding with this option. If Part A and Part B are digitally signed during this generation, then this option may not be required. After all the settings, click on Merge to merge the files into a single file. This completes the process of merging Part A, Part B, Form 12BA and TDS summary into a single file in Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.